Today we're going to set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Plug the stick into the desired HDMI port on the back of your TV. Turn on the TV and switch to the HDMI input you used. Press the home button on the remote to pair it with the Fire TV Stick. Choose your preferred language. You can use the TV's USB port to power the device, or use the provided USB charger. You can set up the Fire TV using the Amazon Fire TV app on your mobile device by scanning this QR code, or you can set it up using the remote control. I'm going to use the remote to set it up. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let the device update if there are any updates available. Sign in with your Amazon account. Note, this step applies only if you're setting it up with the remote control. If you use the Fire TV remote app, it will automatically sign you in with your Amazon account. There are a few ways to sign in. Go to the Amazon website and enter the code displayed on the screen. Scan the QR code on the screen with your mobile device. Or press the menu button, 3 lines, to sign in using the remote control. Any of the above methods will sign you in and register your device. You can choose to save your password to Amazon by selecting Yes or No. Accept or decline the cookies. If you have previously used a Fire Stick or Fire TV, you have the option to restore from a backup. I'm going to restore from one of my old Fire TV backups. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Fire TV remote to control the volume on your TV. Use the remote control and press OK. The TV home screen will load. Select apps if you want to download them now, or choose No Thanks to download them later. Enable parental controls or choose No parental controls. If you have used Fire TV in the past and have profiles created, you can pick your profile, otherwise, create a new profile. The setup is complete. It may take a little while to download all the apps being restored from the previous backup. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.